Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to use this and these. We use this for singular and we use these for plural. For example, this is a bowl. Well, these are bowls. These are bowls. This is a knife. This is a knife. These are knives. These are knives. This is a spoon. These are spoons. Okay. Well, this is a coin. This is a coin. These are coins. These are coins. This is a book. This is a book. These are books. These are books. This is a chili. This is a chili. These are chilies. These are chilies. Okay. Then this is a plate. This is a plate. These are plates. These are plates. Now, please answer my question. Is this a plate? Well, what's the answer? The answer is yes, it is. Are these plates? Are these plates? What's the answer? Well, the answer is yes, they are plates, or yes, they are. Is this a book? Is this a book? Are these books? Are these books? Okay. Is this a knife? Is this a knife? Are these knives? Are these knives? Is this spoon? Is this a spoon? Are these spoons? Are these spoons? Okay. Is this a chili? Is this a chili? Are these chilies? Are these chilies? Is this a bowl? Are these bowls? Are these bowls? Okay. I hope that this video is very useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching.